you, my fellow Spartan?
I am great. What's your favorite color? Green and white, green and white.
Go green.
Go white.
Go green.
Go white.
And what color are you using there?
Yellow. Maize and blue. No, I'm kidding. Oh my gosh.
Do not do maize and blue.
So funny. So what I'm doing is, this is our new Perfect Borders kit with Gelli Arts. And what this allows you to do is make a perfect centered print on a 4x6 piece of paper. And I'm doing postcards, so super simple. Just gonna do a simple background. And this, you go ahead and put your placement tool right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down. It registers the location. I'm gonna go ahead and press that down and pull that up. And don't worry about anything that's left. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and make another print over the top. Doesn't take a lot of paint, especially when I'm using the little plates. I always have to get used to that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brayer that on. I've got many things over here that I can add texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Boop, boop. And I'm gonna take this, register the same location so I can print right in there.
Oh, smart.
Yeah, so I've made just a ton of these cards. These are all postcards. So I've got simple backgrounds all ready to go. This was
that one.
This was an image transfer, so this is the back of a dress. So we were doing image transfers. And I'm just going to pull that up.
Wow. Wow. So cool. Thanks, Tracy.
Thank you.